welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't recorded in like a while, but I'm recording today and I hope you guys like my new look. I'm going to be doing a smoky look and it's going to be very matte, so no dewy look today, but if you do want a dewy look, make sure you comment below. Guess what? I do have a giveaway coming up. That giveaway consists of 2 winners of any Colourpop product available. So you're only going to be able to choose one product. 2 lucky winners get to choose pretty much whatever you want. So quick little story, I'm actually able to record now because there's a blizzard outside and I do not have to work right now. It's really dangerous outside. I live in Colorado, so it's always gonna be crazy weather here no matter what time it is. It could be April and it's snowing, so I'm not surprised it's snowing now. And the fact that we have a blizzard in March, I knew it was coming because last winter wasn't that bad, but now this year it's pretty bad. So we're getting whatever we didn't get last year. Yay! But I'm definitely ready for spring. I hope you guys are ready for spring too. But so far we're not gonna be doing a spring look today. We're gonna be doing a spring look next video because today's gloomy, today's looking like winter outside, so we're gonna do a smoky look. So you see this little wrap here? Yeah, deceived you, didn't it? Ha.
What you saying?
Yeah, I think I'm running late.
Running what?
They sent me down the wrong path.
Hold on. So you're telling me you ain't gonna make it?
But that's what I'm trying to say.
Be quiet. I'm here to look after your business, bruv. I'm booking you big bits.
not me. There it is. Now I'm finna hit the ground. They finna stomp the shit out of me.
Hi beauties, I am back. So off camera I did apply lashes, which are Ardell, and I did apply some lipstick, which is Fenty Beauty. I topped it off with the lip topper. It's also by Fenty Beauty. This one's called Snakeskin. It came out in one of her last year's collection, and I just applied it because I haven't like had any reason to really wear this metallic-y color lip topper, but it is very, very pretty over any type of berry color, any type of red, burgundy, plum lipstick you have. It's definitely, that color is definitely for that. And I've applied some Fenty Beauty highlighter. It looks a little bit glittery, a little chunky, but what do I always say? We can fix that. Now, if you can see, it's a lot of fallout. Some of it, you know, kind of fell out. It's everywhere. But honestly, to tell you the truth, it doesn't look as bad off camera than it does on camera. So off camera, you don't really see the little glitters and stuff like that. I do have some new setting spray though, and I purchased it from Omglo. I think I'm pronouncing it right, Omglo or Omglo, I don't know. But this is in the color Queen. It comes like separated, so don't get, you know, worried if it does come in the packaging and, you know, you just see it like separated, like it looks just like water, nothing's in it. All of the glitter and whatever this stuff is, it settles at the bottom of the product, so you have to make sure you shake it before you spray it. Again, this is in the color Queen. So I'm shaking it, and now I'm going to apply it all over my face in my chest area. Hopefully get some glow there. By the way, guys, this is my first time using this setting spray, finishing spray. Wow. Whew. So yes, it's a highlighting finishing spray, which is also considered a setting spray. Well, it does look like it's giving me a glow, like even more so a glow than before. Because before I was like really matte, and now I'm just like glowing here. I don't know if it's just because maybe still a little, no, because it's not even that wet. Actually, it smells really good. It smells like, I can't even really explain. It smells like a mixture between like candy and perfume. I don't, like some type of like feminine fragrance and candy. That's what it smells like. But this is absolutely gorgeous. Like, I love the color. I love how it glows. It's pretty. And I love my finishing makeup, guys. And I'm so sorry again that I couldn't do a spring look for you guys, but that will be our next video coming up. But and on another note, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like my videos, and also follow my Instagram. My Instagram name is still Chocolate Lips. It is no longer well, my YouTube name is no longer Chocolate Lips. It is just Tierra Anthony now. But again, you still can find me under Chocolate Lips or Tierra Anthony on Instagram. And you can also see, like, at the very beginning of my videos, I always now post a picture of me in my Instagram name right below, so that you guys can follow me on there and with no issues at all. Again, thank you guys for watching. See you later.